Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well, in this video I'm gonna give you my free Fireflies or the glowworm brushes just for free. All you need to do is just download this rare file from the link given in the description. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will notify whenever I post new video. And if you haven't logged into our new website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new PNG backgrounds, color lookup, Bluetooth file, camera preset just for free. So let's get to the point. Now download this rare file from the link given in the description and just right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract one of the folder of Fireflies or the glowworm brushes. Now open that folder and go to the brush folder and just go to this Fireflies brush ABR file. Now copy this file. All you need to is just to copy this brush file and just go to the my computer and then go to the C drive, then just go to the program files, then Adobe, then go to Adobe Photoshop. Now go to the preset folder, then we'll go to the brushes and just right click on it and paste that. Here I have pasted Fireflies brushes. You can rename it if you want to rename. Let's rename Firefly brushes and press continue. Now it is already here. We have completed our installing process of the brushes. If you want to see the example, you can see that it will look like this kind of fireflies. It is found in the forest. It will look like glowworms. So you can use this kind of fireflies or the glowworms in your photo editing process. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. This you can find, open the Photoshop and you can directly open the image and use that brushes in your image. You can see how it is actually affected on the photograph. So let's take one example. Open one of the image if you want. Let's open this image. Now go to the brush folder and just right click on it and you can find this our that installed brushes from here. Here you can see there will be one of the folder named smoke brush, Fireflies. If it is not found here, you can go to the settings, then go to the preset manager. If it's not found here, then all you're going to do is just load it and select that folder. Let's say this. Now just click on this folder and it will automatically comes here the file. So just select this one of the brushes and you can use it in your photograph. Here we can run some of our fireflies. You right click on it and you can select more of the photos. All you're going to do is just increase the size and it will automatically create some fireflies look. So this is how you have to create your glowworm effect. Here there is you can also increase or decrease the size. You can see the effect. This is how you can use the firefly effect on the photograph. Now this looks like a real glowing worms in the forest. some of the color lookup. So here you can see clearly that this kind of brushes which we are using, it creates a very awesome glowing effect in the photograph. It will actually create like a real glowing worms or real fireflies. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, then do like and comment on the videos and subscribe to the channel if you still haven't, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos, and log on to our website and you can download it from there, new backgrounds, color lookup, brushes, PNG and every kind of stuff for free. Well, thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next video.